So I was looking for a laundry bag for my son who's in college, and I found this heavy duty laundry backpack, and I really like it. It's true to color, and there's a flat pocket in the front and a zipper pocket in the back for extra storage or whatever you need. There are well placed and comfortable backpack straps for hands free carrying, and it also has a chest strap for extra support for carrying heavier loads. There's a top clip closure for smaller capacity, and this bag also extends larger with a drawstring closure for a larger capacity. This bag also has side straps to carry like a tote bag, and it is quite large. I'm 5'4", and this comes to the top of my hips from the floor. This laundry bag is well stitched and well made overall. So if you're looking for a heavy duty laundry bag, I 100% recommend this.